Now to the disappearance of Jennifer Dulos, the New Canaan, Connecticut mom who went missing 5 years ago. Her ex-husband killed himself, and now his lover is on trial. Socialite Michelle Troconis, charged with conspiring to commit murder, accused of helping her now dead boyfriend, Fotis Dulos, cover up the disappearance of his ex-wife. Jennifer Dulos, whose body's never been found. Surveillance footage was presented in court of Dulos getting out of his pickup truck to throw out unidentified items the day his ex-wife disappeared. He was charged in connection with her death. Shortly after that, he took his own life. Now, Dulos and Michelle Troconis allegedly got rid of 30 bags of items. Several bloodied objects like zip ties and shirts were found in garbage bins right in the area where they were seen on the surveillance video. Police alleged Dulos also used an ex-employee's car the day Jennifer went missing, a vehicle he supposedly got cleaned.
And he says, don't worry about it, there's nothing going on. I went to Jennifer's house for Mother's Day, I gave her a hug, I hold the cat, and then I came back and I was having the same clothes and I was driving the truck. There might be hair in it or something, I just want to clean everything. The police might come in, they find something, and destroy my name, destroy the company name.
Police say Troconis was with her then-boyfriend when he got the car cleaned. Dulos also apparently pressured his former employee to get rid of his truck seats. The guy did, gave them to police later, who found Jennifer's blood on one of the seats. So, what is her defense? Back with me is veteran journalist Geraldo Rivera and Angenette Levy and Jesse Weber, both of the Law and Crime Network. Jesse, what is her defense?
Ignorance. I didn't know it, and I think it's interesting because there's some bad facts here, let's be honest. I mean, the idea that she's on surveillance tape while he's getting rid of the bags, the idea that she was writing an alibi about what their whereabouts were the day Jennifer went missing, her DNA on one of the bags. But I tell you, Dan, they may show that she tried to help Fotis Dulos, maybe tried to get rid of evidence. I am still not convinced she knew about the murder and she conspired to kill Jennifer. There were some bad statements. She allegedly made a statement like, I want to kill her when she shows back up and she should be buried. Bad stuff, but I'm just not convinced beyond a reasonable doubt.
And I have to say, the prosecutor called a witness who was a former employee of Fotis Dulos's, who was offering what seemed like incriminating testimony, but to me it actually helps her defense. Let's listen. This is number 4.
The topic of Jennifer Dulos' disappearance come up?
Yes.
Who brought it up?
Michelle.
And do you recall what the defendant said to you about Jennifer Dulos' disappearance?
Yes, so Michelle was upset that her and her daughter pictures were posted by the news online. And she said, I'm going to kill that when she's going to turn up.
So, Geraldo, that seems to me to sort of help her defense in the sense that she seems to still think that she's alive.
I agree with Jesse on this one. I think it's going to be very hard for them to prove that she participated in the murder. That is exculpatory. When she posted these, the mistress, Michelle is upset. Jennifer posted photos. Apparently, when Jennifer comes back, I'm gonna kill her, indicating that the defendant thought that she was still alive at the time of this incident. I think her family's with her. She's otherwise a stellar character. She's kind of the opposite of the Crumley mom in that sense. I think she's got a reasonable chance. They'll get her on the post mortem stuff, getting rid of the evidence. I think they'll get her on that.
That's a
but
much
I don't
lesser
think they've
crime,
got her on the
Yeah.
murder. It doesn't seem so.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your cable provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.